When you begin your property investment journey, squatting and adverse possession can be an unexpected challenge. Many landlords don't realize the importance of these issues until they face them. Hi, I'm James Eccles from Penny Realty. Today we'll explore what squatters' rights mean and how you can protect your property from these legal risks. Let's start with some key terms. Squatting is occupying a property without the owner's permission. This is different from trespassing. Adverse possession is a legal framework that allows squatters to claim ownership after a certain period if they meet specific conditions. In California, adverse possession laws are in the Civil Code, particularly Section 325. California has a 5-year statutory period for these claims. This means that if a squatter continuously occupies your property for 5 years and meets all the legal requirements, they may be able to claim ownership. It's important to distinguish between squatting and trespassing. A squatter might legally gain ownership after years of occupancy provided they meet certain conditions. This makes squatting a legal concern for property owners. In California, trespassing is a criminal act and can result in immediate removal by law enforcement. On the other hand, squatting is a civil matter, and removing a squatter requires following specific legal procedures to legally claim ownership through adverse possession. Squatters generally must meet several key criteria. These include hostile possession. The squatter must occupy the property without the owner's permission. Actual possession. The squatter must physically use the property. Open and notorious possession. The occupation must be visible and known to others. Exclusive possession. The property must be occupied solely by the squatter. Continuous possession. The occupation must occur without interruption for the statutory period, which is 5 years in California. Dealing with squatters can be time-consuming and frustrating to prevent squatting issues. Consider working with a property management company. At Penny Realty, we can help you fill vacancies, quickly manage tenants effectively, and protect your properties from legal complications. In fact, we have an extremely low eviction rate due to our standards. Click the link in the description to get a free rental consultation. If you have a squatter on your property, the first step is to follow those proper legal procedures. Start by serving a formal notice to vacate. If they refuse to leave, you'll need to file for eviction through the court system. In San Diego, the eviction process involves filing a complaint with the court, serving the squatter with a summons, and attending a hearing. It's essential to work with an attorney or a property management company, or both, to ensure that all procedures are followed correctly and to avoid any legal pitfalls. Squatters' rights and adverse possession are tricky issues, but understanding your rights and obligations as a landlord can help protect your investment. Keep track of your properties, stay informed on local regulations, and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help when needed. To ensure the security and peace of mind of your rental properties, consider working with an experienced property management team like the team here at Penny Realty. Thank you for watching, and remember, staying informed is the first step in protecting your property investments.